Hello everyone! Hello mga mom! This is Angel, the VA mom of 3 Littles. Living here in Panabo, Davao. Coming from General Santos City. Now, what we're gonna do is unboxing this product find na kailangan ng mga virtual assistant. Let's go, Kuya Jelart. Unbox with me, with mommy. Come on. Okay, nauna na yung anak kong panganay. Okay, let's go unboxing. Okay, ano yan? Ano yan? Oh, what's that? What's that, Kuya? Cooling bracket. Okay, let's have this one. This is for mommy, for work. Kala niyo naman siya. Mommy work. Mommy work. Okay, here we go. Oh, like this. Wait, nalito toy. Hey! Hey, what did my babies did? After unboxing, what did you do? So, here's the thing. I-try natin sa ating laptop. Try din natin sa book ni Jelart. Pwede rin, di ba? Okay, so, this is how it looks like. And then, ayan. Parang may cooling fan na yung ating MacBook. Ang ating laptop, sorry. Ayan, cooling fan. Pwede siya ma-adjust kung gusto mo parang pahangad na talaga siya. Like that. Yan, sobra na. Parang hindi ka na makaano. Pwede talaga siya pang books. Tapos, meron siyang ano sa gilid. So, pwede lagyan ng phones. If you're interested to buy this cooling fan na stand, very useful for me kasi iba manually pag wala kang pang taas. Yung laptop na lang yung inaakit mo pag ganun, pag ganun. Pero in this case, ma-adjust ko na siya. So, hindi na siya laptop pa yung adjust mo ng pangarang monitor niya na ma-tilt. At least dito, matilt mo na siya iba't ibang height or tilt na gusto mo. If you want to buy like this product, find that I found out sa TikTok shop. The link is on the description below. Let's try your book naman and then we will study na kasi exam ni July tomorrow. So, nahihirapan din kasi kami mag-study. Kasi nga, diba, ilagay mo yung book ganyan. Tapos tingnan mo, ipaakyat ko pa. So, with this, pwede nyo namin gamitin for study purposes sa books niya. O, diba, mga momshies and everyone? So, mas madali na lang for Jelart and me to study. You like it, Kuya? You like it? So, may stand na tayo for the laptop and for the book of Kuya. For more VA tips, mom life, so na yung dalawa, family life. Bana ko na doon sa shop pa. Product finds, follow VA Mom of 3 Littles in all our socials. See ya!